Hello everybody, welcome back to Study Room. Through this video, we will learn a total of 50 MCQ which are very important for upcoming TPSC examination. And our topic today is the Constitution of India. In the last class, we saw the first part of the Indian Constitution MCQ series. Now we will see its second part. In the first part, important 50 MCQ was discussed. Those aspirants who have not seen it will take a look. So without delay, we are starting now. I hope this video will be very useful to you. Then let's see. So friend, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned by pressing the bell icon. So I am going to start. Wait. Today we will start from question number 51. Question number 51. Yes. So today's first question and question number 51 is: the number of subjects in the Union list of the Indian Constitution is 47, 46, 66, 97 or 100. So let's see the correct answer, and correct answer is friend option C, 97. Next question, question number 52. Which of the following is not a constitutional body? Options: Election Commission, Financial Commission, Union Public Service Commission, Planning Commission. Correct answer is friend option D, Planning Commission. Next question number 53. The Constitution of India contains 340 articles, 395 articles, 400 articles or 448 articles, and correct answer will be option B, 395 articles. Coming to next question, question number 54. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental duties? Article 39, Article 51A, Article 29B, are none of the above. So correct answer is option B, Article 51A. Next question number 55. Which was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Right to equality, right against exploitation, right to constitutional remedies, right to freedom of religion. And correct answer is friend option C, right to constitutional remedies. Next question, question number 56. Who had proposed party-less democracy in India? Party-less democracy in India. Options are S.A. Denge, Binod Bhave, Mahatma Gandhi, Jaya Prakash Narayan. And correct answer is friend option D, Jaya Prakash Narayan. Next question, question number 57. The drafting of the Constitution was completed on 29th January 1950, 26th December 1949, 26th November 1949, 30th November 1949. And correct answer is friend option C, 26th November 1949. Next question, question number 58. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly? Options are Sardar Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And correct answer is friend option D, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question, question number 59. The method of impeachment of the President of India is adopted from options USA, UK, USSR, France. And correct answer is friend option A, which is USA. Next question, question number 60. In the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, which languages were added subsequently? Options are English, Sindhi, Marathi, Sanskrit. Option B, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Konkani, Manipuri. Option C, Sindhi, Konkani, Manipuri, Nepali. Option D, Marathi, Oriya, Konkani, Nepali. And correct answer will be friend option C, which is Sindhi, Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali. Next question, question number 61. Under which article of the Constitution is the President's rule introduced in a state due to the failure of the constitutional machinery? 352, 356, 360, 350. Correct answer is friend option B, 356. Next question, question number 62. Who said that of disrespectable democracy? I love you. Options are G.B. Shaw, Lord Bryce, Carpenter, Appa Doral. And correct answer will be friend option A, G.B. Shaw. Next question, question number 63. The final authority to interpret our constitution is the President, Parliament, Prime Minister or Supreme Court. And correct answer will be option D, Supreme Court. Next question, question number 64. A secular state is one which is religious, irreligious, is anti-religion, has no religion of its own, takes into consideration the religious sentiments of the people. Correct answer friend, correct answer is option C, has no religion of its own. Next question number 65. The Parliament can legislate on subjects given in the Union list only in consultation with the state government for the state of Assam, Rajasthan, Kerala, Jammu and Kashmir. Correct answer is friend option D, Jammu and Kashmir. Next question, question number 66. What is the color of the Dharma Chakra in the middle of our national flag? Black, green, navy blue, sea blue. Correct answer is friend option C, navy blue. Next question, question number 67. The Constitution of India describes the country as a federation, union of states, confederation, unitary state. And correct answer is friend option B, union of states. Next question, question number 68. The 73rd Amendment Act 1992 of the Indian Constitution was passed to strengthen Panchayati Raj, strengthen urban institution, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, none of the above. Correct answer is friend option A, strengthen Panchayati Raj. Next question number 69. Indian Constitution has divided the powers and function of the state into 2 lists, 3 lists, 4 lists, 5 lists? And correct answer is friend option B, 3 lists. Next question, question number 70. The concept of Indian constitution first originated in Japan, USA, Britain, Switzerland. And correct answer is friend option C, Britain. Next question, question number 71. On the subjects mentioned in the concurrent list, laws may be enacted by the Union alone, states alone, states and the Union, states and the Union territories. Correct answer will be, it is option C, states and the Union. Next question number 72. Freedom of the press is implied in the right to equal protection of the laws, freedom of speech, freedom of association, work and material security. The correct answer is friend option B, freedom of speech. Next question, question number 73. The provisional president of the Constituent Assembly was P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sachidanand Sinha. And correct answer is friend option D, Sachidanand Sinha. Next question, question number 74. Article 74 and 75 of Indian Constitution deals with the matters of the cabinet ministers, the president of India, the council of ministers, the speaker of Lok Sabha. And correct answer is the council of ministers. Next question, question number 75. The chairman of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And correct answer is option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question, question number 76. A proceeding under Article 226 in case of detention of a person is a statutory proceeding, judicial proceeding, criminal proceeding, civil proceeding. Correct answer is friend option C, criminal proceeding. Next question number 77. Question number 77 is, who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly of India? Options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. B.N. Rao, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And correct answer is friend option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Coming to next question, question number 78. Which item out of the following is contained in the concurrent list? Tolls, agriculture, trade union, markets and fairs. And correct answer is friend option C, trade union. Next question, question number 79. Persons may change but rules should not change is the principle of republic, absolute monarchy, unwritten constitution, constitutional government. And correct answer is friend option D, constitutional government. Next question, question number 80. Question number 80 is, the Constituent Assembly of India was set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan, Mountbatten Plan, Cripps proposals, Simon Commission proposals. And correct answer is friend option A, Cabinet Mission Plan. Next question, question number 81. Question number 81. The objectives of Indian planning are increasing national income, elimination of poverty, reducing inequalities in income and wealth, all of the above. And correct answer is friend option D, all of the above. So next question, question number 82. The term fourth estate is used for parliament, judiciary, the executive, the press and newspaper. Correct answer is friend option D, the press and newspaper. Next question, question number 83. Through which constitutional amendment was the Nagarpalika bill passed? 17th, 72nd, 73rd, 74th. Correct answer is friend 74th. Next question number 84. Who can legislate on those residual matters which are not mentioned in central state concurrent lists? Parliament alone, state legislature exclusively, parliament or state legislatures as adjudicated by the Supreme Court, parliament after state legislatures concur. And correct answer is friend option A, which is parliament alone. Next question, question number 85. Which schedule of the constitution deals with the disqualification of elected members on the ground of defection? 8th, 9th, 10th or 11th? Correct answer is friend option C, 10th. Next question, question number 86. According to Article 75(3) of the Constitution of India, the Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the Rajya Sabha, Parliament, President or Lok Sabha. Correct answer is friend option D, Lok Sabha. Next question, question number 87. Communism has given importance to economic equality, social equality, natural equality, political equality. And correct answer is friend option A, economic equality. Next question, question number 88. The two words that were inserted by the 42nd Amendment to the preamble of the Constitution are secular, democratic, sovereign, democratic, socialist, secular, republic. And correct answer is friend option C, socialist and secular. Next question, question number 89. Sikkim was granted statehood in the year 1972, 1973, 1974, 1975. And correct answer is friend option D, 1975. Next question, question number 90. From each according to his capacity to each according to his needs is the principle of fascism, democracy, communism, dictatorship. And correct answer is friend option C, communism. Next question, question number 91. 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1985 deals with Union territories, defection and disqualification, extending reservation, abolition of privy purses. And correct answer is friend option B, defection and disqualification. Next question, question number 92. Cabinet system and collective responsibility are the contributions of India, Britain, Ireland, United States. Correct answer is friend option B, Britain. Next question, question number 93. Popular sovereignty was advocated by Rousseau, John Locke, Thomas Hobbes or T.H. Green. Correct answer is friend option A, Rousseau. Next question, question number 94. The creamy layer concept refers to the grouping based on social status, the grouping based on castes, the grouping based on economic status, the grouping based on milk consumption. And correct answer is friend option C, the grouping based on economic status. Next question, question number 95. In the Constitution of India, the right to constitutional remedies has been provided in Article 30, 31, 32, 35. And correct answer is friend option C, 32. Next question, question number 96. Which amendment to the Constitution provide for the reservation of 1/3 seats in the municipal boards and village panchayats for women? 73rd and 74th amendments, 82nd and 83rd amendments, 72nd and 73rd amendments, 74th and 75th amendments, and ordinary law. And correct answer is friend option A, 73rd and 74th amendments. Next question, question number 97. By which constitutional amendment political defections were banned? The 5th amendment of 1984, the 53rd amendment of 1986, the 54th amendment of 1986, the 52nd amendment of 1985. And correct answer is friend option D, the 52nd amendment of 1985. Next question, question number 98. Which article of the Constitution provides special status to Jammu and Kashmir? 360, 368, 370, 375. And correct answer is friend option C, 370. 99, question number 99. The system of privy purpose in respect of former rulers of Indian states before independence were abolished by the Constitution through 26th Amendment Act 1971, 27th Amendment Act 1971, 38th Amendment Act 1975, 42nd Amendment Act 1976. And correct answer is friend option A, 26th Amendment Act 1971. And today's last question, question number 100 is, what is meant when the Constitution declares India a secular state? Religious worship is not allowed. Religions are patronized by the state. The state regards religions as the private affairs of the citizen and does not discriminate on this basis. None of this. And correct answer is friend option C, the state regards religions as a private affairs of the citizen and does not discriminate on this basis. So friend, today is enough. If you like it, please share with your friends and like this video and comment. So friends, thanks for staying with us. Thank you.